Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy's 2003 to 2014 Express 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturers' safety precautions and specifications. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Uninstall the fuel tank and clear any lines or brackets blocking the work area. Later in this guide, you have the option to remove the leaf spring mount and/or shock mount. If doing so, lift your vehicle. Step 3. Inspect the body mount, rear shock mount, and leaf spring mount. If these need replaced or the frame under them is compromised, remove them. If not, remove the perforations in the frame kit. As mentioned in Step 2, if the spring mount or shock mount need removed, the vehicle will need to be lifted to uninstall the suspension. If the body mount needs removed, the body will need to be lifted from the mount. Step 4. Cut off the triangular piece of metal on the frame rail shown here. This is on the driver's side only. Grind the frame rail smooth to create a proper surface for fitment and welding. Step 5. Paint the inside of the frame kit with rust protectant prior to installation. Once dry, slide the frame kit in place on the rail, using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the section in place. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then weld all edges of the frame section. If you did not remove the perforations in Step 3, and remove the factory parts instead, install replacements now and fill in the perforation lines via welding. Step 7. Paint the remainder of the frame section as well as the rest of the work area with rust protectant. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 8. Reinstall any lines or brackets that were moved in Step 3. If any mounts were removed in Step 3, reinstall the suspension and/or body. Reinstall the fuel tank and lower the vehicle if necessary.